similar. This is a daily outlook. Singularity net token, right? And it has already, as you can see, given that golden cross on the daily. Epic, whoa, what a move, right? And we've seen already a couple of brilliant pumps on this. I know this is AI related. I'm not surprised it had such a crazy pump, because so many coins that were AI related were just moving, and I can see why you guys want to get back in. I mean, even look, between May last year and here, I think I even have that marked, right? So that was 241 days since the drop. Within that range, you had several occasions to make great money on this and come back in lower. 50 EMA is just another one to trade off. You can see, you know, it always comes back to the 50, retest it. It's either, you know, starts moving like over here where it just gives you a nice vertical nearly turn, or else it just kind of keeps going sideways and has a pump, comes back to it. And that, like, this is what we've noticed here on the daily. Just to obviously for confluences show you the 8 and 21, that just gives you a little bit of different outlook. How tight they were here would have been very hard to actually trade only of these two on the daily, but when that cross happened, it barely gave any retest. It just kind of retested that 8 here, that daily candle, and then just kept going up. So just for your strategy, just to keep in mind that it is a little bit different. You'd have to get used to those crosses and how those EMAs behave. But what's happening here, guys, you see the M being formed. This is turning down. Purple coming close to the yellow. I think everybody is expecting the drop, and let's, like I said, hope RSI obviously going lower as well. I don't know how low this is going to retrace. I think the thing with those trending coins, the scary part is, I suppose maybe not even scary, but the aspect of them is there's a lot of FOMO around them, and people will be buying, not caring for the price. Because obviously I think you kind of have to look beyond just right now what's happening. And think long term. Personally, I do think AI is going to be here for a while. It's going to be one of the strongest narratives, but you have to be careful as well about what coins you enter. I think AGIX is definitely one of the decent and solid ones, but don't hop on every possible coin that is going to be popping left, right, and center and putting in AI in their name. I think that narrative is going to be used and abused by many. So remember your risks. Think a little bit more logically in terms of your investments. I think with AGIX, you know, a lot of things to take into consideration. Solid coin. You might really have to buy a little bit higher. Look, I would like to say, yeah, because this is the move. This is the bottom we've seen here. If we retraced back above 236, it gave a very strong look. Again, that golden pocket, guys, this is where everybody from that bottom went back to the golden pocket from that top, reversed. Now we're seeing, you know, a cool off. It's where they took their money because it made sense, you know, 500% and even actually more if they cut the bottom. Nearly 600%. That is huge profit. You know, a bit of patience, bam. Let's check real quick from here to here. Where could we possibly come back down to? It would make sense, obviously. Again, lovely. Look, guys, this would be amazing, right? To buy in around 7 cents. Why not? Wow, we're in like 20s. Okay, it's actually dropped. Sorry, it dropped to 17 cents. And to buy it below double digits of the cent. Wow, what an opportunity, right, for this coin. But play it level by level. I'm hoping to see at least retracement to 50, which is in around 12 cents. And that is 382. The half a point of this move is in around 9 cents. So think about those psychological levels once again. You know, just above 10 cents, below 10 cents. And why not wick all the way to 618, right? That's just to measure your downtrend. And let's see if we get something interesting from the other way around. Just to above here, just down below here. I'm going to check a few more indicators for you in a second as well, guys. I like to cover all my bases. On the daily RSI dropping, that's nice. If this keeps going sideways, right? And you see RSI dropping and it gets, you know, below 50 and the price is hovering above that 10 cents. Don't get too greedy. I'm just saying, don't get too greedy, because yeah, it might wick lower, but you might not be able to get those bids filled. I think it's going to be one trendy coin. One that is just basically, you know, a lot of eyes on it because of the pumps that it had. And look, if you see this dropping to 40s, 30s, and price is kind of doing this side action here, and it's not dropping below the golden pocket and retesting here, you know, you kind of understand then, like, right, the odds are in my favor here, and they're still more favorable than waiting for lower prices. So let's not get too greedy. Like, everybody was waiting for 10k, right? Get rid of this. Alpha VIP is just to give us the trend for the minute. So we've had the reversals. Yeah, I mean, look, it will be interesting. You need to keep an eye on how it's behaving around this area here. Is it gonna fall below 15 cents and want to retest exactly that level? So golden pocket of the move, like I was measuring higher up. Alerts on for this range between 12 and 9 cents. I would love to enter there myself and then resume up. So I think AGIX, that's it. If you want to ask me questions, if you have any more doubts about this, do in the comments in the video. I mean, in general, guys, remember, I can't predict. I don't have I don't have a crystal ball. This is just simple technical analysis based on levels, based on human behaviors, based on, you know, what we think may happen, and giving ourselves the best chance possible. Taking our chances and hoping, you know, we'll make the most out of it.